Hello everyone, welcome to FixSoft. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to install and set up MongoDB on a Windows computer. Don't worry if you are completely new. I will explain everything in a simple and clear way so you can follow along easily. Let's begin. First, open any web browser like Chrome or Edge. In the search bar, type MongoDB and press enter. Open the official website. When the homepage opens, look for the Products section. Under Products, choose the Community Edition. The Community Edition is the free version of MongoDB, and it is perfect for learning and development. On the download page, scroll down. You will see options to choose version, operating system, and file type. Make sure the latest version is selected here. Then, in Operating System section, select Windows. For the package type, keep the default option, which is the MSI installer. The MSI file is a simple installer that helps you install the software easily, just like most Windows programs. Click the download button. The file will start downloading. Wait until the download is complete. Once the file is downloaded, open it. The MongoDB setup wizard will appear. Click Next. You will see the license agreement. Read it if you like. To continue, check the box to accept the terms, then click Next. Now you need to choose the type of installation. Select Complete. This option installs everything you need. You will now see options about running MongoDB as a Windows service. A service is a program that runs in the background. This means MongoDB will start by itself whenever your computer starts. It is recommended to keep the default settings, so do not change anything unless you have a specific reason. You will also see the default data folder and log folder locations. These are the places where MongoDB stores your database files and log information. It is fine to leave these as they are. Then click Next. Now, you will see an option to install MongoDB Compass. Make sure this option is checked. MongoDB Compass is a graphical tool. Instead of typing commands in a black command window, you can use buttons and menus to manage your databases. It is very helpful for beginners. Click Next. Then click Install. The installation will start. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. When it finishes, click Finish. MongoDB Compass may open automatically. Now, MongoDB is installed on your computer. The MongoDB server is running in the background as a service. Now, open MongoDB Compass. You also see a shortcut icon on your desktop. If you don't see shortcut, you can also open it from Start menu. Just go to Start menu and search for MongoDB, then open it. When you open it for the first time, you will see interface like this. To connect to your local MongoDB server, click Add New Connection. You will see a connection string. By default, MongoDB runs on your own computer using localhost and port 27017. Think of localhost as this computer, and the port number as a door MongoDB uses to communicate. If everything is installed correctly, you do not need to change anything. Just click Connect. If you see some default databases appear, that means your MongoDB server is working correctly. Now, let's create our own database. Click the plus button. Now, we need to enter two things: database name and collection name. A database is like a big folder. A collection is like a table inside that folder. Let's name the database as School and the collection as Students. Click Create Database. Now your new database and collection are ready. Practice creating more databases and adding more documents to get comfortable. Now, you know how to install and use MongoDB on Windows from scratch. Also, if you want a full tutorial of MongoDB, then comment tutorial. Thanks for watching FixSoft. I'll see you in the next video.